Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Magenbrot is a very popular snack on German fairgrounds and Christmas markets. These sweet glazed cookies share many similarities with gingerbread and are moist and very tasty. Let me show you how easily you can make this German specialty at home. Add the flour, the baking powder, the spices, the cocoa powder and the sugar to a bowl and blend well. Then add the eggs and the butter cubes and mix into the dry ingredients. Knead to a smooth dough. This needs some patience as it will take about 10 minutes. Add some flour to your working area and knead the dough briefly by hand. Divide the dough into 6 pieces and roll each piece into a log. Then place the logs on 2 baking sheets and bake them for 10 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a preheated oven. In the meantime, mix the powdered sugar and the lemon juice in a small bowl into a thick glaze. Brush the glaze on the logs immediately after taking them out of the oven. Then cut the warm logs diagonally into 1-inch pieces. Let them cool out and they are ready to enjoy. Guten Appetit!